Welcome to the case summary of Wood versus Boynton on 4lawnotes.com. In this case, the plaintiff's seller was in possession of an uncut stone and she didn't know what the stone was or what its value was, so she approached a jeweler who also didn't know what it was or what its value was, but nevertheless paid $1 for the stone. And later the plaintiff learned that it was actually an uncut diamond that had a value of over $700, and so she offered to return the dollar plus the interest to the jeweler, but the jeweler refused. So the seller brought this action in order to rescind the sale and have the diamond returned. And the issue is whether the plaintiff is entitled to rescind the sale where she was actually ignorant of the hypothetical value of the stone that she actually sold and delivered. And the court upheld the ruling of the lower court for in favor of the defendant in this case, because the only reasons for rescinding a sale were if the buyer was guilty of some fraud in procuring a sale that was made to him, or if the seller made a mistake and delivered an item that was not the item that was sold. In other words, if the seller had sold to the buyer a valueless stone but actually delivered by mistake the diamond that had value. And this is a mistake in fact and not really a rescission, as no title is ever actually would pass to the buyer. And that concludes this case summary for Wood versus Boynton on 4lawnotes.com.